Today I'm gonna kind of show you how to park on a slope area, no, or a slope location. And by the way, kaya may ganito kasi maraming unggoy dito. This place, guys, is so amazing. I mean, ang hindi mababayaran dito is ang tranquility, ang peace. Alright, so ito yung lugar, mga katodo. Napaka close to the nature ang lugar na to. Sobrang tahimik, and it reminds me of yung US setup. Kasi dito, kung makikita nyo dyan, yan yung kantong yan, same as sa US, walang traffic light, no? But dito, you have to, before you turn left or right, before you go across the street, you have to really do a full stop. You have to do a full stop. Look at each angle, kagaya ng gano'n, no? Sa other side, stop ka talaga before you go, just to make sure na hindi ka matatamaan or whatnot. Ganyan sa US na setup, it really takes a lot of discipline. Disiplina talaga ng mga tao. Ganun lang naman yan, may traffic light o wala, disiplina talaga yan. Alright, so akit tayo ngayon. So ito yung lugar na aming pinagstayhan just for one night. So napaka detached ng lugar na to sa ingay ng Metro Manila. This is the setup ng lugar. Super, hindi siya laid back. I would not say it's a laid back place, but super peaceful. Walang kaingay-ingay, at andun ang ating pretty big bike. And today I'm gonna kind of show you how to park on a slope area, no, or a slope location. Last night dito tayo nakapark. So makikita nyo napaka-slope ng area, and then papunta siya doon at the same time pababa. All you have to do is to secure yung stand doon sa area na medyo kumakahanap ka ng malapat-lapat na surface kahit naka-slope, that's fine. So put the bike down and then make sure na naka first gear ka para in case of emergency, kung tumakbo man yung bike, it will not be pushed down. So i-check natin yan. Ayan, naka first gear tayo, mga katodo. In-start na natin to kanina. Pumunta tayo ng convenience store kasi malayo yung convenience store dito sa area na to. It reminds me of the US settings kasi sa US wala silang mga stoplights in some of the intersections, but you have to be disciplined enough to stop first before you drive or cross the street. And by the way, kaya may ganito kasi maraming unggoy dito sa area na to. So gusto daw nila nakikita yung mga sarili nila sa mirror, so the point na binabasag nila kasi hinahablot nila. So kaya we were provided itong mirror covers para safe ang ating mirror. Naguri lang ako kagabi nung iniwan natin to kasi itong mga buttons, masarap din yan kutkutin eh. So good thing wala namang nangyari, awa ng Diyos. Last night may nakita, or yesterday afternoon pagdating namin, may nakita ako dito, ang dami tumatawid-tawid. So imagine, you'll be one with the nature. Kumbaga madedetach ka sa noise, sa distraction ng syudad, and you'll be able to somewhat reflect on how you are, what you've become, and what the future entails for you sa mga ganitong klaseng lugar, diba? So ito yung aisle, napaka-tidy ng aisle. This is one thing that I like. And there's a cat. Hi, cat. So ayan, dito ang top view. Yan ang top view natin. So makikita nyo, napaka ganda ng nakapaligid. Andun yung hut natin. So sabi ng aking partner, this is glamping daw ito. So I'm not familiar with the term, pero this is how it is. So may hagdan pababa. So that's how it looks like. Ang ganda, di ba? Ang liit na hut in the middle of nowhere. And with all your background, big trees and plants surrounding you, napakalamig ng lugar kahit na patanghali na. It just reminds me of Mindanao. Lumaki ako somehow sa gantong klaseng lugar. Typical 80s na bahay na gawa sa kahoy. When I was growing up, before nabago yung bahay namin o before pinagawa, it was just wood. And maliit lang talaga siya. And ganito yung paligid. So let's go inside. Let's check the place out. This place, guys, is so amazing. I mean, ang hindi mababayaran dito is ang tranquility, ang peace, a feeling of, you know, somehow you wanted to be alone, you wanted to detach yourself from the distraction, as what I've mentioned kanina, distraction at ang ingay ng syudad. Ito napakagandang lugar for you to reset. So ito yung lugar, ito yung hut. So let's go inside. Alright. O, diba? lakas maka social. So ayan, maliit lang talaga siya. There's just one bed, magkabila ang tables na napakaganda ng paggagawa, and glamping nga ang sabi ng aking partner, glamping. So everything somehow is provided. May ilaw pa din, may aircon. Ganun daw pala yung glamping. Is just walang TV. And also that's a good thing na walang TV. Somehow walang distraction, di ba? So ito lang yung place. Maliit lang siya, but I really love the place. I honestly love it. Probably pag tumatanda ka na kasi, di ba, napakaganda, and nagustuhan ko siya kasi I wanted silence. I'm a person actually na gusto ko yung lugar na medyo natahimik talaga. Apart from sa bike natin na napakaingay, gusto ko ng katahimikan. And this is our way of also, kanina ko pa mention yung reset in our relationship. In my relationship with my partner, we call it reset. We, as much as possible, go out once in a while, or at least once in a quarter, para lang we can reflect on where we at with our relationship, our journey. We can check on how we both are, how our relationship is, and what's our plan in the future. I think it's a healthy way of doing it, na you have to check out each other, kasi ganoon naman dapat, because we would not know, yung isa pala may nararamdaman ng hindi maganda or hindi kaya. At least you guys are checking on each other, and at the same time enjoying each other's company. And that's it. If you like this video, mga katodo, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, we have Facebook and TikTok. Alam ko hindi tayo masyadong active on both, but I plan in the next few weeks, medyo magpo-focus na tayo on 3 platforms. So please do follow me on both platforms, Facebook and TikTok, and also of course YouTube. Please subscribe and click that notification bell para updated ka sa lahat ng ating mga videos. Alright? And thank you so much for staying with me, mga katodo, for this simple quick tip of a big bike tip on a slope parking, and for also hanging out with me sa pag-check natin sa place. And guys, I'll see you on the next video. Tandaan mo lagi, lahat ng mga pangarap mo, posible yan, mga katodo. All you have to do is sipagan mo, kilusin mo, at itodo mo. Peace out, guys.